In this video, I will be showing you how to design a tote bag mockup in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'm on the Canva homepage looking through the various template categories. There are so many great options here, but for this project, I want to start with a specific size. I'll click on the Create a Design button in the top corner and select Custom Size. I'm going with a standard portrait layout of 8.5 by 11 inches. Once my blank canvas opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I'll scroll down past the graphics and photos until I find the mockup section. I'll click See All to view the entire library. I'm looking for home and living items, specifically tote bags. I'll click on this first mockup to add it to my page, then I'll browse for a few more. I want to show the bag in different settings, so I'll select some lifestyle shots with models and some simple flat lays. Now, I'll resize each mockup by dragging the corners and arrange them into a clean collage layout. I'll even add a second and third page so I can experiment with multiple styles and backgrounds. This gives me a professional-looking gallery to work with. Next, I need a design to place on these bags. I'll go back to the search bar in the Elements tab and type in Minimalist Design for Tote Bag. I'm looking for something trendy and simple. I'll scroll through the results until I find a design that catches my eye. Once I find a photo or graphic I like, I simply click and drag it over to the mockup. You'll see it snap right into the placeholder on the bag. I'll repeat this process, trying out different images, like this colorful flower and then a more subtle botanical sketch, to see which one looks best. I can easily swap them out by dragging a new image over the old one. I'll continue placing my designs on each bag in the collage, ensuring they are positioned perfectly. And just like that, I've created a series of high-quality tote bag mockups in just a few minutes.